good. Sarah?
Sarah.
Yes, please wear helmet, yeah?
Right?
For your safety.
Because it's raining, no?
Yeah, raining. Yes, good.
Good.
You beautiful.
That's good. But drive slow, not so fast.
Sorry?
Drive slow.
Go fast. Where are you from, yes?
Italia.
Oh, ciao, 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 ciao.
Yeah, ciao. Buonasera.
Compleanno.
Valentino Rossi.
Yes, I like Rosie.
Tiramisu.
I'm in Rosemary.
Yeah.
You know Rosemary?
Rosemary.
Yes.
What is this?
AC Milan.
Ah, i Rosemary.
Yes.
Sì. Milano.
Milano.
Yeah, yeah.
I fans club Milano.
Yeah, you watch
Yes.
football?
I watch football Milan.
Ah. My dad, he watch Juventus.
Juventus.
Yeah.
Bianconeri.
Sì.
Oh, Bianconeri, no good. Oh, wrong. Anjir, sampai salah jalan, cuy. Bianconeri. Where do you live in Italy?
I live in Germany.
Oh, Germany.
Yeah, my parents, they moved to Germany,
Oh.
but they are Italian.
Oh, nice.
And once a year we go to Italy
Oh.
to visit family, you know.
Oh, yeah, I know. Italy.
But in Italy, it's close to Bari, Brindisi,
Oh, Bari.
South. Not Bali, but Bari.
Yes, I know Bari. Yeah,
This year I went to Bari and Bali.
maybe same, yeah?
No, change only one letter.
Oh. Here?
Here.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Grazie.
Grazie.
Ciao. Oh.
I have to do this. I was going home like this.
I help you.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Grazie. Buon compleanno.
Grazie. Buonanotte.
Oh, okay. Ciao.